Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see where is the third loop in the double crochet and what stitch you get when you work in the third loop of this double crochet. So this is how it looks when you work in the third loop of the double crochet. You will get a ribbed like structure when you are working in the third loop of double crochet. So if you see, these are the normal double crochets which we do. So if you see here, a V-like structure here, this is what we say it as chain. We normally insert the hook by taking both these loops together to do the next row. So for the double crochet, if you are keeping your work like this will be the front loop, this is the back loop. So where is the third loop? If you see here, in this pose, there are two loops here. So this loop is said to be the third loop for the double crochet, this loop. So do chain one, turn your work. You are going to do a double crochet in the third loop. So turn your work like this. If you see here, so this one loop and this loop. So this loop will be the third loop. We have to insert the hook in this loop and do a double crochet. Same way, see, if you see for this stitch, you will have this loop as the third loop. For this stitch, this loop as the third loop. This loop as the third loop for double crochet. So while you are working in this third loop, you will get a ribbed like structure. So if you see, it looks like this. So we will work double crochet in the third loop till you reach this end. After doing double crochet in the third loop, it looks like this. So you are getting a rib like structure. So next here, if you see, this will be the third loop. This is the third loop. This is the third loop of this double crochet. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.